Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize this little bar here in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To customize our home screen bar, we have to go to the settings. We're looking for display, yes. Brightness, icon for seat, and navigation bar. It's little box here. So we have here a few options, and navigation bar is right here. Let's access it. Buttons. We can have swipe gestures, buttons. If we have buttons, we can change order of our buttons, as you can see. If we choose gestures, we have few options here as well. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.